the first thing you do, you want to find the hypotenuse, the adjacent, and then the opposite. So this right here would be the hypotenuse, and then 10 would be the adjacent, and then 6.6 would be the opposite. So the next thing you want to do is find the trig ratio, which would be tangent, so it'd be tan.
I love it. Lily, it seems all clear what you're doing? You're all clear? Excellent. Great examples.
Okay, now since we have our trig ratio formula, we're going to input our numbers, which would be... Now we have to reverse the formula into angle A equals tangent minus 1, and then you input for 6.6 over 10, and then you basically import this in the calculator, okay? Like this, and then you get 33.4, but use a calculator. That is your answer.